We are at Twin Lakes RV Campground in Cummins, Georgia. We wanted somewhere where we could have Russell Wise from Wise RV Glass, who's located in Cummins, Georgia.
Gross out today. It's one of those days where we're just gonna hang on the RV, bake bread, do work, and just relax too.
Currently, we are at Twin Lakes RV Campground in Cummins, Georgia. Now, we're not going to do a campground review here. It's not much. I mean, it is what it is. It's not a bad place. It's not a great place, but we wanted somewhere with full hookups. More importantly, we wanted somewhere where we could have Russell Wise from Wise RV Glass, who's located in Cummins, Georgia, to come and finish our work from a couple of months ago, changing out our foggy windows. Let me show you what he's gonna be doing. So this window right here on the passenger side is gonna be changed. It does get foggy quite often. And then I'll show you what he did already. A couple of you have been asking, you know, you have foggy windows. These double pane windows are pretty terrible. This window right here was already changed. And then the one on top, I don't know if you noticed that. He was supposed to change it last time, but they miscut the glass, so that's gonna be changed. And we got fog in this one on the inside, and as well as this one here. So all these windows are going to be changed. Why do we choose to use Wise RV Glass? They're not an affiliate. We paid for our windows. Is because a lot of companies, what they do, they take the windows out, these double pane windows, and they repair them. They take them apart, they clean them, they reseal them. Over time, same thing winds up happening. They're just not designed well. These windows are actually laminated windows, so they're really thick. They're actually thicker than our windshield. It's a one piece. They're never going to fog again. So I'm of the mindset, just do it once and do it right if you're able to do that. So we'll show you the work when they get here. It should be here shortly. The weather should be holding up. Supposed to be overcast till about 4 o'clock. The thing is with these windows, if you have a frameless like this, they got to sit for at least 24 hours after they're replaced. If you have the frame ones that are screwed in, you can move right away. So if you're interested in getting your windows replaced, again, we've gotten a lot of people asking us. We'll put their contact down below. Just keep in mind, you have to sit for at least 24 hours if they're changing out the frameless windows. It started off cloudy, now it's raining, but you're all finished up. So this is Russell Wise, Wise RV Glass. You've been doing this a long time. We found you on Google, and you did our first window several months ago, but a lot of people have been asking, so I'm just gonna put the camera on you for 30 seconds, a little bit about yourself, what you offer.
For most of these double pane replacements, we can do a laminate glass if it's a conventional window, meaning it's not a frameless window. The laminate glass is the same thickness, typically 7/16 or ½ inch overall, and it goes in your frame. It functions just the same way. Same tint. We can do the solar green, bronze, privacy gray, standard gray, and clear. It just doesn't have the option to fog up again because there's no airspace in it. We got a pretty good solar value chart on our website, and it will, if anyone has any concerns about the thermal values of it, the R value, the U factor, it's all on our website. There's really not a whole bunch of different you're going to notice. You get better sound insulation with the laminate glass. Some people will get a little bit of sweat on the interior, pane, but the side windows are built to weep that water back out if it does condensate when you're running your AC in July and August, to where your windshield's the biggest piece of glass on a motorhome, and it sweats too, and there's nowhere for that water to go. Go ahead.
So if somebody wants to contact you, website and phone number?
wiservglass.com, or reach us at 678-325-0616.
About how long if somebody reaches out to you when they actually get the glass
Typically
put in?
The lead times are about 3.5 to 4 weeks. There's a few select units we do keep in stock, and some of the more popular, like Fleetwood, use the same window for several years, so on and so forth. So on our website, we do offer those for sale. We can ship them immediately. But for everything else, it's typically a 3 to 4 week lead time.
Getting close to dinner time. Again, huge thanks to Russell Wise. He does amazing work.
Reach out to them if you're looking for glass. That's the guy.
Yep. Okay, so dinner, we're doing some Costco stuff tonight. We've got some salmon, some seasoned salmon.
Thank you, Sachin, for making us Costco addicts.
I know. That's all we get. This afternoon, I made air fried cauliflower with some seasonings. It was so easy, and it's So delicious in the air fryer. Put it in the comment. I know a lot of people make that. Let us know if you make that. Now we're gonna have some broccoli. Jason's gonna do a burger. We got a bunch of turkey burgers for him, so he's gonna do that. I was driving around today, had to go somewhere, and I saw this handmade, handcrafted ice cream spot, which apparently got
Small batch?
best in Georgia. Yeah, small batch. Scoop
Like
Joy.
top 100 in the country. Or something
Yeah,
like
so it's in
Oh, we gotta
it's
go.
coming. Yeah, so we got to try this. So we're gonna try that. But look what we got going. A new bread going here.
So this one has oats and pumpkin
And
seeds in it. So we're trying
a little
one.
different. Yeah, we got to start pumping these out before the Tampa show and before Jason goes back to school because he wants to take a bunch to school with him. All right, salmon time.
The air fryer is the way
Oh,
to go.
man.
It's so good in the
Gosh.
air fryer.
It's like restaurant.
8 minutes, 385 in the air fryer. We'll put a link down below to the air fryer.
Yeah, it's literally perfect. It's so good.
Or maybe I'm just that good of a cook.
No, because it never used to be that good before. It's just the air fryer.
I'm in that position. So one of the reasons we get full hookups is that we can dump. And before we dump, we always put a treatment in our black tank. We do use liquefied because it works really well. It's made in the USA. We've been using it for years. Now, liquefied black tank treatment is an enzyme-based treatment, which means the enzymes in here will break down the material in your black tank, rendering it liquefied. We will put a full video. We did a review on this. We'll link it up above.
We know you want to see our poop in
I know
liquefied
you want to
form.
see it. And it also keeps the tanks healthy because we had tank rangers clean out our tanks and they did comment how nice and clean our tanks were. We'll link that video up above. It comes with the pre-measured bottles and it's going to be 1 ounce for every 40 gallons. So we have more than 40 gallons. We'll put 2 ounces. This is our favorite, which is the orange scented. Smells wonderful. But they also do have the lavender scent and they have all different other types of treatments. So for your gray tank, which can get really nasty, they do have that. They also have toilet bowl cleaner, flushing. So they have tank sensor cleaner, and they are also coming out now with the Liquid Shine line, which is going to be a whole line of cleaning products for the outside of your RV. It's coming later in 2026. What's awesome is from January 14th through the 31st, online or at the Tampa, Florida Super Show or at the Courtside Show. If you buy 2 liquefied products, you will going to get 1 for free. So if you buy toilet cleaner and you buy a gray tank cleaner, then you're going to be able to get a treatment for free.
Mix and match however you want.
Yeah, so all you have to do is go to liquefiedrv.com, use discount code ENDLESS15. Now, just a disclaimer, you can't use that discount if you're getting the 2-for-1 deal, and it's only good on liquefiedrv.com. But if you can't get there, you can go to Amazon, you can also go to Camping World, you can go to Walmart nationwide and check them out there. We also have a simple QR code we'll put right here. Scan that, it's going to take you right to the sale. Made in the USA. If you want more information or the link to liquefiedrv.com. We'll put the link down below. One of the things that we still really haven't gotten used to is coming out in the morning on January and it being 65 degrees out. You're like, wow, am I overdressed right now?
It's really weird.
But not that we're complaining about it. It's really a nice thing. So we are headed to Planet Fitness today. It's very rainy. It was really coming down before.
It was all night.
That Flex Armor roof was getting the test. And it's supposed to be raining all day. But today is kind of an administrative day. We have a lot of videos to catch up on, just accounting and all kind of things. We're going to be cooking some sourdough. We get those days, so we'll have a run of things, and then there's like one day that we just have to hunker down and unfortunately sit and do some things. So that's what we're doing today, and then we're leaving early tomorrow.
Super morning at the gym. It's gross out today. It's one of those days we're just going to hang on the RV, bake bread, do work, and just relax too. We just needed a place to stay just for a couple nights on our way down to Florida that had full hookups, and so it checks the box. We have full hookups, great internet so we can work, and that's what it has. It's a very interesting place. I'm just going to say this. If this place had a 10-year rule or 20-year rule, I think the place would be empty. It's that place.
These are not well kept 10-year.
No, they're really, there was one that had signs all over the door. I don't know if it was like eviction notices or something we said. I don't know, but there's a lot of just kind of really unmaintained RVs here. It does the job though. It's not too far off where we were headed and pulled off. The guy was super nice and accommodating. I just want you to be aware, like we're parked kind of in a parking lot right now. It's very crowded, but it is what it is.
So what we're saying, it's not a destination. Don't plan your vacation around Twin Lakes.
There's a lot of people living here.
Yeah, it seems like it's kind of a long term. Maybe you're here for work, or you just want somewhere cheap to live. Or if you're passing through, it's perfect for that. So just keep that in mind. Now, what have we been doing today? We've been doing a lot of cooking. It's been a couple of days since we had our last sourdough. So we have one that's out. This one just came out of the oven, already cut into it, and then we have one in the oven. Now, we want your feedback, guys. I know people have been asking, they've been commenting, should we do a video on it? You know, I'm a little hesitant because the last like cooking video we did years ago really flopped. And
people don't seem to watch those.
Right, but I do want to show you, might have seen this on another video. So the Shaws down at RV Max, they gave us this. This is a, I don't even know how you say that, Zeisenhaus?
Zassenhaus.
Zassenhaus, made in Germany. It's a bread cutter, but it's awesome because if you come a little closer, hon, you know, if you try to cut the sourdough with a knife, it never comes out really good. This, you obviously can do the thickness, so I go all the way out and then bring it back just a little bit. I just want to show you. Now, you can make a bad mistake and cut your fingers off on this, so
be careful.
You don't want to do that. Always stay away from it, but I'm gonna have another slice. I'm gonna be forced to. You just kind of away.
I really should be getting it from the other. Oh, nice.
Look at how perfect
this
slice is. We did oat and pumpkin seed, and oh man, this is so good. It tastes like cake. We'll put a link down below to Amazon because they have these. They have knockoffs too. It makes our life easier.
You're drooling.
It makes our life so much easier. If you're into baking bread, especially like in the Dutch oven, look, perfect slice every time.
All right, we just made the trek from, where were we? I always lose where
Twin
we were.
Lakes.
Twin Lakes RV Park.
In Cummings.
In Georgia, Cumming, Georgia. Now we're in Lake Park, Georgia, and we're at Eagles Roost RV Resort. It's a resort, so we're gonna do a resort report. And we're gonna be very honest. Again, we haven't been here too long. We're gonna go check this whole place out. We're here for a quick overnight on the way to the Tampa, the Florida RV Super Show, so we're only staying here tonight. So we're gonna give you a little bit in this video, but then we'll have a full resort report for you. Izzy and I were just filming outside, but we came back into a very happy Jason.
You guys know I'm a huge Bills fan. This weekend starts the NFL playoffs. The Bills just played the Jaguars. It was a nail biter. 27-24. Bills scored late in the fourth quarter. Josh Allen, the dog, scored. And then the Bills defense had an interception. It was very close. I can take a sigh of relief and enjoy till next week.
Now, by the time this video is out, they will either be in or out. They will either be in the Super Bowl
or lost.
Or
so hopefully they don't lose next week in the divisional game or the conference title game, but we'll see.
If they do lose, please go easy on him in the comments. He does not take Bills losses easily. So
years of losses.
It'll be nice.
So everybody asks a lot of times what kind of internet we have. We've done videos on them. What we like to do while we're on the road is do a speed test. So we got 4 bars here, T-Mobile. We're on AT&T with our phone, but T-Mobile on our Chester main event. So I just want to do a quick speed test because that's really the best indicator of how our internet is working. So you see we're on T-Mobile. Again, our phone is on AT&T. Strictly on T-Mobile using the Chester Cheetah. It's mounted right in our half bath. So here we go. We have almost 500. Let's scale back a little bit. And this will fluctuate during the day, but really good download speed. 361 down. And I'm probably going to be about 16 to 20 up. Well, it's going up a little bit more. 361 down, 23.7 up. Very good speed. We do have Starlink also. Right now it's on pause. We haven't used it for months, but this would be better speeds than Starlink. If you want more information on this, we also have a $25 discount. We'll put the link down below.
It's a little cold for
I have shorts on.
January. It was in the 30s this morning in Lake Park, Georgia, but we're headed to Tampa soon, and it's supposed to be up to 70 today, so that'll be a little bit better. That's the thing, I guess, with the South. Like, you can have the cold days, but it warms up.
There's no snow on the ground. I'm happy.
No snow. And we got snow at home last night. I saw on the cameras.
We have a lot of good content coming out of Tampa, some new stuff that we're going to be doing, so make sure, again, your subscribe, notification bells on. Also, continue this vlog. We'll continue through Tampa and throughout, because we're going to be down south for months at a time.
For the rest of our lives,
So, yeah.
pretty much.
Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you guys on the road.